What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're old, welcome back. Real quick before I get into this video, I do want to fill you in on a quick announcement. I've recently gone through a little rebranding, just a little name change. So I went from NiqueNique321 to now CurlyNiqueNique, and I feel like CurlyNiqueNique better suits who I am and what I'm known for. The curly hair don't care. That's what I'm all about. NiqueNique321 is no longer, and honestly, over the years I've never really liked the 321 part of it, and I don't even know why I chose that name. So I just decided to go with CurlyNiqueNique, and I feel like that better suits me. You will see that across all social media platforms. Everything has now changed from NiqueNique321 to CurlyNiqueNique, and all the links are down below, so make sure you're following me. And if you don't follow me, go ahead and click that follow button. And if you see my name change, it's not spam, it's me, the new and improved CurlyNiqueNique. Okay, so back to the video. So if you haven't seen on Instagram already, I am now officially a SheaBassador for SheaMoisture. This is absolutely a dream come true. Those of you who know me know that SheaMoisture has been one of my ride or die brands for years. I absolutely love SheaMoisture, and it is such an honor to finally represent a brand that I really truly love. I'm super excited for this year, and I can't wait to see what else is in store for me this year. Like, I've been blessed with so many different opportunities the past couple of years, and this one definitely takes the icing on the cake. So as part of the SheaBassador program, we are receiving about 6 to 8 different packages throughout the year, and I'm going to be unboxing my first box with you guys. So I actually received this package on St. Patrick's Day, so I'm a little bit late, but I wanted to wait to open it until I got on camera so I can open it up with you guys and share it with you all. So yeah, this will be my first unboxing, and I'm super excited and I'm ready to dig in. So that being said, this is the box. I'm just gonna hide my address. It just says "Hello Beautiful" on it, and then it has the little community commerce logo on the side, and then a million ways to shave. I'm ready to dig in. All right. So this is what the box looks like when I open it up. There's just the SheaMoisture logo here with a picture of all their little different products. And I'm pretty sure I've used the majority of these, like their deep treatment mask. What else we got here? I've used the Frizz Defense conditioner. I've used the 10-in-1 conditioner. What else? The Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. Like, this is really cute. The Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So yeah. Y'all, I've been rocking with SheaMoisture for a while, so yeah, it's legit real. So right off the back, I have their card here. This was the first thing laying on top of everything when I opened the box, and I'm guessing that they sent their African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal collection for, you know, their little skincare collection. And it just says to clarify and refresh, and this is for blemish prone skin, and I definitely have blemish prone skin. Like, I still break out, and I'm in my early 30s, just in case you didn't know. But I do have blemish prone skin, and I have oily skin, and it's more so oily during the warmer months, and then in the colder months it's kind of like oily combination skin, because I do get dry patches when the weather is cold. And it just says clarifying African Black Soap plus the added benefits of bamboo charcoal help to balance oily, blemish prone skin, leave skin clean, smooth, and refreshed. The next thing in the box is this little headband, I'm guessing. So yeah, this is a headband from SheaMoisture, and I really love that they sent this, because every time I wash my face in the sink, I have to like put my hair in a bun or something and get it out the way, because my hair will fall forward while I'm leaning over the sink, and I don't want my hair to get wet. So this will be handy to help pull back my hair while I'm, you know, at the sink. Otherwise, I'll just be in the shower doing my skincare routine, but in the mornings I like to do it at the sink. So thank you, SheaMoisture. I did not have one of these, so thank you. Alright, so I'm looking in the box, and it looks like they sent three different products for, yeah, three different skincare products. So the first one is this facial wash, and it just says bamboo charcoal detoxifying foaming facial wash with aloe. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so like I said, this is a foaming facial wash, and they have three main ingredients on the back. Of course, the African black soap, which clarifies oily, blemish-prone skin, and then the bamboo charcoal is supposed to absorb oil and impurities to help detoxify the skin. And then the other ingredient is aloe, which soothes and nourishes the skin. So I'm excited to try this out, and this is actually going to be my first foaming facial wash. I don't own any facial washes that foam, so this will be interesting to use. Yeah, so currently I use their facial bar in the morning to wash my face, so this will be good for me to alternate with, so I can go back and forth between using the bar and then the foaming wash. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so next up we have the African black soap bamboo charcoal hydrating jelly moisture with aloe. So it just comes in this little box here, and I'm guessing it's in a little jar, which it is. Ooh, and this is a glass jar. So I really like this. This is cute. This makes me feel like luxurious. But yes, this is the hydrating jelly moisturizer with aloe. And I currently already own a gel moisturizer, but not from SheaMoisture. So I'm excited to try this one out since it is made specifically for my skin type, for oily skin. So I'm going to be testing this out and using this like right after I do the foaming facial wash and toner and all of that. So I think this would be good working in conjunction with all the other products. Okay, so this is the third and final product that was in the box, which is the African black soap bamboo charcoal body scrub with tea tree oil. Okay, so the first two products, the facial wash and then the jelly moisturizer, both had aloe in them, but the body scrub has tea tree oil in it, which helps to soothe and calm troubled skin. And I really do love tea tree oil for my hair as well, because y'all know that tea tree oil has that really cool soothing effect to the scalp, like when you rub it in your scalp. So I really like that sensation. But yeah, I've never seen their body scrubs in this little squeeze tube packaging, so I really prefer this over the jar actually, because I can control how much I'm using and squeezing out versus digging my whole hand in the jar and pulling out too much product. So good job SheaMoisture on the packaging for this, because this is gonna be a game changer. So yeah, this body scrub says it's for problem skin, so I'm guessing for like those of us with more sensitive skin, which I do have, but I more so break out on my face than anywhere else on my body. Like every now and then I'll get like a little rash or heat bumps, but they go away after time. But I guess this body scrub will be good to use because it actually has ingredients in here that are supposed to help control problem skin issues like that, like with maybe like if you get acne from washing your hair and using conditioner and stuff all the time. And I've used their shower gel version and then the bath bar, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this as well, because I went through that shower gel really quick. It doesn't look like the exfoliation beads are too abrasive. They're tiny and really thin, but this is still, I feel like it's gonna help exfoliate and buff away some dead skin cells so that you can regenerate overnight and get some new plump fresh skin. So I'm excited to try this out. And you know what else this would be really good to do with before and after shaving your legs? Okay guys, so that was everything that came in the box, and I'm super excited to be trying out all of these new goodies. Again, thanks to SheaMoisture for selecting me as one of their SheaBassadors for this year. Like I said, this is just the first of many boxes to come this year, and I cannot wait to share more goodies with y'all. I might even do some giveaways, so stay tuned and make sure you're following me on all of social media. And again, that's at CurlyNiqueNique everything, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up so that it helps my channel grow. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, you make me wanna talk back. to you.